Hi, and thank you for allowing us to see this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrank your competition, and of course get more customers. So first things first, I have your website blog here, and the first thing I have to suggest is to get this taken care of. This thing this is not secure. You need to install a secure certificate into your website so you won't have this message here. And this can be a little bit annoying, and Google can, tends to not take this your website in consideration if this is happening. So very simple solution, very simple things we can start not getting. It also can scare people away, but other than that, if I keep scrolling down, the other thing I have to suggest is to add more content. I see that you have decent content here and dentist in Florham in Park, New Jersey. This is a very important keyword because there's a lot of volume, search volume for this specific keyword, and you're definitely doing a good job here. But you need to add more content so you can start ranking up on the Google search, and I'll show you that in a few seconds. Um, Ideally, what I would suggest based on the keywords that you might want to be found for, not just target one, but target multiple ones will definitely help you. And the amount of wording content, my suggestion would be at least to have 1,500 words of content besides images, and those will have to include the keywords. And they have to be placed in specific areas of your website as well. And not just on the home page, you can see, for example, services. You can have dedicated pages for each one of your services as well. For example, one page for digital x-rays, non-surgical, cosmetics, whitening, and so on. Let's move on. Let's look at the back end of your website, and you're being found for 171 keywords. This is bringing you around 50 visits a month to your website, and you have 72 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. This will increase your domain rating and your URL rating. Now, not all links are created equal, so you can have thousands and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this can be complete useless. You can have a lot of backlinks, but if they're not meeting these requirements, it will be all for nothing. Let's take a look at the keywords you're being found for really quick. And let's see, doctors here, I don't want to mispronounce the last name, but you're being ranked number 5, 350 searches a month for this specific keyword. Of course, this is your branding name. This one, dentist, Florham Park, New Jersey. 100 searches a month. You're ranking on the almost at the end of the page, and I'll show you that. And you're getting 3 visits for these 100 searches straight to your website. This one over here has dentist Florham Park, 20 searches a month, and you at the end of the page pretty much. And there's nothing else relevant here. You can see if I do a Google search for that specific keyword, the first thing you notice is the traditional Google ads, and this is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. Then we have the map section. We have an ad as well here, but this top 3 this is very important because this is your local city and you need to be here. So that means that you're not um, ranking here because you might be ranking all the way down. So on the organic results, we have this Florham Park Dental.com. Then you got this one number 2, number 3. And if I keep scrolling down, let's see, right over here, you're almost at the 7th position. But and for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they just go by the top 3 over here and this top 3 over here. That means that they don't scroll all the way down and not even go to the second or third page. So for the purpose of the video, you're gonna see why these guys are ranking number 1. If we pull out their website, We can see that they have a little more of content, wording and images. And you can see that they're bolding some of the words, which is not really relevant nowadays. But they have more information, so that's helping them. And I'm pretty sure that whatever links they have, they might be doing some, they might be helping somehow as well. And you can see here they have the menu is kind of of balance. But again, these guys are as well didn't have to install their security certificate, so that might be a good sign for you because if you get this done, you can start ranking on that Google search. Let's take a look on the back end of their website, and here's the first thing I can see. They have over 138 backlinks, and this is not doing anything for them, but they're being found for 232 keywords. Let's take a look here. Okay, so they're ranking number one, and this is helping them because number one, their content that they have is relevant. The amount of pages that they have is also helping them, and the backlinks, even though they're not really good quality, are also helping them. So from these 100 searches, 37 is straight to their website. That's why they're ranking number one, and ranking number one is helping them to get those 37. And you can see that they're ranking for this dentist, Florham Park, New Jersey, not just with content, but with the links, the backlinks I was telling you, and it's helping them a lot. So very simple to understand. Even though if you have any questions, please let me know. But to recap this video, on the homepage, especially on the homepage, content needs to be improved. Add keywords that not just one, but multiple keywords that you want to be found for. And when it comes to backlinks and giving you your website power, same principle. Good quality links will definitely help you, and we can see that your competition doesn't have that much work done on their end, so it can be very easy to outrank them. Again, if you have any questions, please let us know. If you think we can help you guys out, we definitely can help you out. Feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.